11 Coolest Kitchen Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a space where creativity comes alive, comfort meets functionality, and every gadget has the power to make life easier. The gadgets of 2025 redefine convenience, merging innovative designs with exceptional practicality. Imagine having tools that not only simplify your cooking process, but also add elegance and style to your space. From advanced kitchen essentials to multi-purpose marvels, these gadgets are transforming kitchens across the globe. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, these incredible Amazon finds are here to revolutionize your kitchen game. Dunama Cervical Pillow. The Dunama Cervical Pillow isn't just a pillow. It's a game changer for anyone who spends hours in the kitchen or office and needs some much-deserved comfort. This ergonomically designed pillow is crafted to provide exceptional neck and shoulder support, making it perfect for moments when you want to relax after a long day of cooking or hosting. Its unique contoured shape helps align your spine, relieve pressure, and improve posture. But the benefits don't stop there. The breathable memory foam ensures you stay cool and comfortable, no matter how long you rest. The pillow is also hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. Whether you're winding down after a busy day or taking a quick break in your cozy kitchen corner, the Dunama Cervical Pillow is a comforting companion that promises rejuvenation and relaxation like never before. TSP Circo 3-Tier Serving Platter. Elevate your hosting game with the TSP Circo 3-Tier Serving Platter, a stylish and functional centerpiece for any gathering. Its 3-tier design allows you to display an array of appetizers, desserts, or snacks in a visually stunning arrangement. The sleek finish and sturdy construction make it a perfect blend of elegance and durability, whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a casual brunch. What makes this serving platter truly remarkable is its versatility. The tiers are detachable, so you can customize the arrangement based on your needs. Plus, it's easy to clean and store, making it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen. Whether it's showcasing your culinary creations or adding sophistication to your table, the TSP Circo 3-Tier Serving Platter is a must-have for any host who loves to impress. YesCool Weighted Blanket. The YesCool Weighted Blanket is a soothing marvel that brings a sense of calm and relaxation to your busy life. Made with premium materials, this blanket provides the perfect balance of weight and softness, simulating a gentle hug that helps reduce stress and anxiety. It's an excellent addition to your kitchen nook or dining area, perfect for unwinding after a long day of preparing meals. The blanket's breathable fabric ensures year-round comfort, while its durable stitching guarantees long-lasting use. Scully Basting Brush. The Scully Basting Brush takes the art of cooking to the next level with its innovative design and superior functionality. Crafted from heat-resistant silicone, this brush ensures that your marinades, sauces, and oils are evenly distributed, enhancing the flavor of your dishes. Its flexible bristles are designed to hold generous amounts of liquid, making basting quicker and more efficient. Beyond its practical use, the Scully Basting Brush is incredibly easy to clean. Just toss it in the dishwasher, and it's ready for your next cooking session. Its durable construction means it won't shed bristles like traditional brushes, ensuring a mess-free experience. Braun MultiQuick. The Braun MultiQuick is a powerhouse of versatility, combining multiple kitchen functions into one sleek gadget. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing soups, or chopping vegetables, this immersion blender does it all with precision and ease. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the powerful motor delivers consistent results every time. What sets the MultiQuick apart is its range of interchangeable attachments, which allow you to perform various tasks with a single device. Cleanup is effortless thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. Levoit Humidifier. The Levoit Humidifier brings a breath of fresh air to your kitchen, ensuring optimal humidity levels for a comfortable and healthy environment. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any space, while its quiet operation makes it ideal for use during meals or family gatherings. With advanced features like adjustable mist levels and a built-in timer, this humidifier is incredibly user-friendly. It also doubles as an essential tool for preserving the freshness of ingredients like herbs and bread. Say goodbye to dry air and hello to a kitchen atmosphere that's both inviting and beneficial for your culinary endeavors. AirSea Handheld Vacuum. Say hello to spotless counters and crumb-free floors with the AirSea Handheld Vacuum. This compact yet powerful gadget is designed to tackle small messes in your kitchen with precision and ease. From crumbs on the countertop to spills on the floor, the handheld vacuum makes cleanup quick and hassle-free. Its lightweight design and cordless functionality allow you to navigate tight spaces effortlessly. The long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted use, while the washable filter makes maintenance a breeze. Whether you're tidying up after a cooking session or prepping for a dinner party, the AirSea Handheld Vacuum keeps your kitchen looking pristine. Nespresso Virtua Coffee. The Nespresso Virtua Coffee machine is your ticket to barista-quality coffee in the comfort of your home. With its innovative brewing technology and a wide range of coffee pot options, this machine delivers rich, flavorful coffee every time. Its sleek design and intuitive controls make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. What makes the Virtua stand out is its versatility. It can brew everything from a single espresso shot to a full cup of coffee, catering to all your caffeine cravings. Easy to clean and maintain, this coffee machine ensures that your mornings start on a high note, leaving you energized and ready to conquer the day. Farini Office Chair. The Farini Office Chair combines ergonomic design with modern aesthetics, making it perfect for those who spend long hours planning meals, working on recipes, or simply browsing for kitchen inspiration. Its adjustable features and lumbar support ensure maximum comfort, reducing strain on your back and neck. This chair isn't just functional, it's also a stylish addition to your kitchen or workspace. The breathable mesh material keeps you cool, while the sturdy construction guarantees durability. Whether you're brainstorming your next culinary masterpiece or taking a break from cooking, the Farini Office Chair offers the perfect balance of comfort and style. Stone Lane Dinner Set. The Stone Lane Dinner Set is a stunning addition to any dining table, elevating your mealtime experience with its elegant design and high-quality craftsmanship. Each piece in the set is carefully crafted to withstand daily use while maintaining its sophisticated appearance. Available in a variety of styles and colors, this dinner set is perfect for hosting guests or enjoying family meals. Its durable, chip-resistant material ensures long-lasting beauty, while its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless. With the Stone Lane Dinner Set, every meal becomes an occasion to remember. 23 QT Plastic Stackable Storage Drawers. Organize your kitchen like never before with the 23 QT Plastic Stackable Storage Drawers. These versatile drawers provide ample space for storing utensils, pantry items, or even small kitchen gadgets, helping you keep your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Their stackable design maximizes storage space, making them perfect for compact kitchens. The transparent drawers allow you to see their contents at a glance, while the durable construction ensures they can handle heavy loads. Whether you're organizing your spices or storing baking tools, these drawers bring order and convenience to your kitchen. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.